Hi, pre-K families. It's Miss Lauren again, ready for some story time. This book is called The Flea's Sneeze. This book is written by Lynn Downey and illustrated by Carla Firehammer. That's a cool name. One dark, dark night on an old farm in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for the house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle. See the flea? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody had a tissue for me? Sounds like he has a stuffy nose. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, who woke the cat, who hissed maroo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked wow wow. It sprayed the hog, who screamed "You!" and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes he even closed. He began to doze. He just needed a tissue. And for all the rest of that dark, dark night, on the old farm in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one even heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Uh-oh. The end.